How to turn on and use the color correction feature. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to turn on and use the color correction feature. So now let's get started. To enable color correction feature, first of all open the settings app on your device. Now navigate to accessibility. Now tap on vision enhancements. Now toggle the color correction option on. Now choose the color of your choice. For example, red-green color for blindness. Once enabled, colors on your device screen will be adjusted based on the selected correction type. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.